everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be unboxing the very first IPSY Glambag Ultimate subscription box. This is the first month that they're actually offering this subscription box right here. It is $50 a month, but you are guaranteed 12 full-size products, and I cannot wait to get in this box. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, let's open this box. I just took a tool from my Cricut machine and let's see if we can get into it with this. Okay, got it. Alright, discover yourself. Alright, there's tons of foam on here, which is nice because they protect your items. Okay, this is the first glimpse that I have of my box. I see a bag, a black makeup bag right on top, and it has sequins. Oh, they're the ones that go up and down. That's really cute. And I see a little picture of Betty Boop on here. So that is such a cute little makeup bag with the sequins. Love it. And it's red inside. Beautiful. Oh, okay. So we got, first thing I see on here are brushes. These brushes are from F.A.R.A.H. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes because I hate buying brushes with my own money because they're so expensive. So I love to see them in subscription boxes. Looks like we get 3 brushes here. We have a cheeky end in 218. It is super soft. And actually, I don't know if you can see that, but the color of this brush is like a blue. It's giving off like a blue reflection, which is beautiful. And this is a 20 FF straight brush. And finally, we have a Stippling 40 FM brush. So these brushes are from F.A.R.A.H. and they are super soft and nice. I am really excited for these brushes. Yes, I am liking the way that this is going so far. Next up, I see a product here from Murad. I have used Murad before, not this item. This is an hydration cleanser. So this is, I know Murad is a great brand. I am excited to try this. So this is like a face wash. So this is an exfoliating face wash. I'm actually really excited about this product too. So far so good. Next up I see from Purlisse. Let's see. What do we have? A matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. Nice. So priming moisturizer here. So this is a lightweight oil-free water cream and it primes the skin for makeup. So this will be the first thing that we put on our face. Yes, I love it. What is this? Okay, Unicorn Glow. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is awesome. This is a longwear primer. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. I'm actually curious if it is sparkly or not. Let me see. No, it's just like a regular primer. Okay. But I love it that it's called Unicorn. That's so cute. Okay. Next up, I see, let's see, an eyeshadow palette, a Real Her playbook that I am not going to be able to get into. So let me find my little device from my Cricut machine. That's supposed to be helping me with vinyl, but we'll just use it to get into the makeup. All right. Get off this paper and see what's inside. Real Her. Okay. Hopefully this is like a neutral palette. I like getting neutral palettes. I'm not too brave in the eyeshadow color area. Okay, these are my colors. Look at that. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me swatch a couple of these for you. This is the shade Perfect. So they're really powdery. You probably can't even see that. Let me get a darker shade. Let's see, Enchanting. Let's try the Enchanting shade. All right, these are all really light. I don't think you can see any of these on camera, but look at how gorgeous this palette is. I'm excited to try this. Oh my goodness, so far so good. What is this? This is okay, this is an eyeshadow single pan. So let's see what's in here. This is, okay, I'm so excited. I can't even believe it. Okay, So this is gorgeous. This is in the shade Glamour, and this is by Colored Rain Cosmetics. So this is the Glamour shade. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I love it that these shades in this box are very neutral and versatile. I totally go for that. Okay, so here we have a serum. This is a moisturizing and enhancing serum. This is a treatment serum. So this Bio-Race, I don't know, I have never heard of it. Bio-Race moisturizing and enhancing serum for your face. Okay, this is an eggplant mud cream mask. So we'll put an eggplant mask all over our face. That sounds great. Cool. Mask. There's so many goodies in here. It just keeps on going. Okay, so this is a Nanette Lepore Beautiful Things. I don't know. Perfume. Okay, I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, it's actually really nice. I don't want to spray too much, but like, ooh, it's really nice. Okay, this is like a really nice smell. It's almost like vanilla, but also a tad sweet. It's actually really nice and not overpowering. I love this. Oh my goodness, this is gonna go in my purse. Okay, what do we have next? This is, ooh, a lip gloss. Okay, so this is a Reflect lip gloss by Cess Monet. And this color shade is in the shade Opulence. Okay. Looks really, really shimmery. Let's see. Okay, so this is definitely just a gloss. Shiny. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Goes great on top of lipstick, or I'm sure it goes great by itself. Finally, we have in here something by Betty Boop and IPSY. So let's see what's in here. Wow, we got a lot of great stuff. I'm excited to try everything out. Okay, I don't know what this is, so this is what it looks like. It's a palette of some sort, I'm assuming. And yes, this is a blush palette. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yes, a cheek-to-cheek palette. Beautiful shades. Love it. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. And so the theme for this month, I didn't even see this because there was so much great things in the way. The pamphlet, the theme for this month is Flaunt It. So be sure to flaunt it, right? And it must have been in collaboration with Betty Boop's times IPSY. That's pretty cool. And finally in here there are 2 sheet masks. These are by the same. Awesome. So one is with avocado and one is with shea butter. Thank you so much for unboxing that with me. I had so much fun doing this. I love all of these items. I think they're great. I know it's $50 a month, but you definitely get your money's worth. As you can see, all of those great things that I just got. I can't wait to try them. If you are interested in signing up, I'll have a link below. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're aware of every video that I upload. And until we meet again, ciao Bella!